What's up, Miami? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, Miami and surrounding areas' #1 choice. Walk on in and let me show you what we're doing today. Porcelanato floors, uneven shine out throughout, usually in the heavy, walk-through areas. A little opaque here. We're gonna give it an even shine. But the other reason why we're here is because she just recently bought this home and it smells very strong like urine. So we have urine deposits and we're gonna go ahead and work with our poly crystals. But first, we're gonna give it a nice floor shampoo so we can alleviate the smell. Not just alleviate, we're gonna neutralize, we're gonna kill lingering bacteria that's left behind. And then we're gonna give it an even shine so the floors can pop and you'll see it. And without further ado, you know how it is. We don't talk much. We just do what we do. Remember, guys, reviews don't lie. And Google. Before you hire a company, Google. There's a lot of great, reliable companies out here in Miami and surrounding areas. But check the Google. Check the Google reviews. Thank you for watching. Keep it clean, carpets and tile.